I want to begin this talk with honesty, clarity, and respect, because this topic is surrounded by fear, myths, and unrealistic promises that quietly harm men's confidence. Many men ask how to make the penis bigger, but what they are truly asking is how to feel confident, powerful, desired, and whole in their own body. Science is very clear about one thing. There is no fruit, herb, pill, oil, or food that can permanently increase penis length or girth beyond your natural genetics. Anyone promising dramatic enlargement through eating certain foods is misleading you. However, and this part matters deeply, there are natural ways to maximize your natural size, improve firmness, increase blood flow, enhance erectile quality, and make the penis appear fuller, stronger, and healthier, which for most men is what they are really seeking. When blood flow improves, hormones balance, inflammation reduces, and overall health rises, erections become stronger, fuller, and more reliable, and the penis reaches its true biological potential, not an artificial fantasy, but its healthiest form. Let's talk about what actually determines penis size in adulthood. Size is primarily determined by genetics and hormone exposure during puberty. After puberty, the physical structure does not grow longer like muscles do. However, erection quality can change dramatically throughout life. Poor circulation, excess body fat, stress, low testosterone, insulin resistance, smoking, alcohol, and nutrient deficiencies can all reduce erection strength and visible size. When these factors are corrected, many men experience firmer erections, increased girth during arousal, better endurance, and stronger sensation. This is not illusion, it is physiology working correctly again. Think of it this way. A balloon filled halfway versus filled completely looks very different, even though it's the same balloon. Now let's move into the role of natural fruits and foods, because while they do not magically grow tissue, they support blood flow, nitric oxide production, testosterone balance, and vascular health, which are essential for strong erections. One of the most powerful fruits in this context is watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts into arginine in the body, which then boosts nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow into penile tissue during arousal. This is the same biological pathway used by prescription erectile medications, just in a gentler natural form. Regular consumption of watermelon supports vascular flexibility and erection quality. Another excellent fruit is pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants that protect blood vessels from damage and improve circulation. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can improve erectile function by enhancing blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. Healthier arteries mean stronger erections and better firmness. Bananas also deserve mention because they are rich in potassium, which supports heart health, blood pressure regulation, and muscle function. Healthy blood pressure is crucial for maintaining strong erections, especially as men age. Avocados are another powerful natural food. They are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and B vitamins that support hormone production and nerve health. Testosterone production depends on healthy fats, and avocados provide the kind your body actually uses. When testosterone is optimized, libido improves, erection strength increases, and confidence returns. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, are loaded with flavonoids that improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Regular intake supports vascular health and sexual performance. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits contain vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessel walls and improves nitric oxide availability. Strong, flexible blood vessels allow better blood expansion during arousal. Apples, particularly with the skin, contain quercetin, a compound known to improve blood flow and endurance. While these fruits won't add inches, they absolutely support the biological systems that allow the penis to function at full capacity. Now let's talk about natural non-fruit foods that matter just as much. Dark leafy greens like spinach and arugula are natural nitric oxide boosters. Beets are especially powerful for circulation because they increase nitric oxide levels in the blood. Nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds, provide arginine and healthy fats that support vascular and hormone health. Garlic improves circulation by preventing plaque buildup in arteries, which is essential for erectile strength. Eggs provide cholesterol, which is necessary for testosterone production. Low cholesterol diets can sometimes harm hormone balance. It's also important to address body fat and lifestyle because excess fat, especially around the abdomen, reduces visible penis length. Fat stored in the pubic area can hide part of the shaft. Losing excess weight can make the penis appear longer without changing its actual size. Improved fitness also boosts testosterone, insulin sensitivity, and circulation. Pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels, strengthen the muscles that support erections and ejaculation. Stronger pelvic muscles help maintain firmness and improve blood trapping in the penis during arousal. Stress management is another critical factor often ignored. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which suppresses testosterone and constricts blood vessels. Deep breathing, meditation, regular sleep, and physical activity all improve sexual function. Sleep is especially important because testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep. Men who sleep poorly often experience weaker erections and reduced libido. Now let me address what must be said clearly and responsibly. There is no scientific evidence that any fruit, herb, oil, massage, or exercise can permanently enlarge penis tissue in length or girth in adult men. Devices, pills, and online claims often exploit insecurity. Some medical procedures exist, but they come with risks and are not appropriate for most men. True confidence does not come from chasing unrealistic standards. It comes from optimizing health, strength, and presence. This conversation is not about shame. It is about understanding your body and treating it with intelligence and respect. When circulation is strong, hormones are balanced, and the body is healthy, the penis reaches its maximum natural potential in firmness, size during erection, sensitivity, and performance. For many men, that change alone is life-changing. Partners respond not to measurements, but to confidence, connection, energy, and presence. I want to close this speech with a grounded truth. Your value as a man is not measured in inches. Health, discipline, calm confidence, and self-respect are far more powerful. Eat real foods, especially fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, bananas, berries, citrus, and avocados. Support your body with leafy greens, nuts, garlic, and beets. Move your body, reduce stress, sleep deeply, and take care of your cardiovascular health. When you do these things consistently, your body responds. Blood flows better, hormones stabilize, erections strengthen, confidence rises, and you stop chasing illusions and start living in your strength.